What's up, everybody? It's your boy Q. Hope you're having a good morning, good evening, good day. If you're here, thank you for clicking the link. Thank you for watching this video. If you're new to the channel, it's your first time joining, be sure you go ahead and click that subscribe button below. So today's video, if it's your first time here, you know I bought my dream truck about 6-7 months ago. Basically, it's 2015 F150 6-inch lift kit, 35-inch tire, 20-inch rim. So I bought that, like I said, 6 months ago. I actually got some news in the information, some news in the mail today. So basically, there is 2 open recalls on my truck, and I have it here in front of me. So that's what we're doing today. We're gonna go ahead and talk about these recalls and what's the issue. So let me flip this camera around really quick, and I'll show y'all what we got. So here is what is the issue. On your vehicle, a frozen door latch or a bent or kinked door latch, whatever that word is, actuation cable, may result in a door that would not open, would not close, or opens while driving. That's very dangerous. They have parts available. You should bring your truck in. How long it take depends on the dealer, blah, 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 blah. So this is code recall 17V652, safety recall notice 17S33. So here is the next one, is involved in a crash. Deployment of the front seatbelt pretensioners may cause a fire inside the driver or passenger side B pillar trim, the outer board floor area next to the front seats in the vehicle passenger compartment. So this one's a little more serious. Basically, if you get in an accident, that you're already in an accident, hope you're okay, but you may catch on fire. So this is recall 18S27. So that's what we're doing today. I'm about to get ready to take the truck in. Before I do that though, Autovlog actually did a video on this as well. He used to work at a Ford dealership, so he knows people there very well. So they actually showed him the repair and what the recall was for. So I'm gonna show y'all that when I get outside here on the truck, exactly what they did and what the guy in the video explained was happening. So let's go. Go red over there, man. Y'all, it's like 40, 30 something degrees today. 20, 30 miles per hour wind, so it's pretty cold. So from what I saw in the video, let's check this out. Okay, so what he explained in the video was that underneath this carpet here, running here, there's some wire that runs here, wire. So basically, the wire in the event of a crash gets so hot, produces so much heat that this carpet here, on the edge of this carpet, catches fire, is what he explained in the video. So what they are doing is putting some heat tape. Basically, they put like a sandwich. So they're gonna put heat tape underneath the carpet, and I think heat tape on the edge to basically prevent that wire from touching the carpet, basically what it is. I'm not sure if you have to do it on both sides or just this side, but also in here, these pillars here, there's some foam in here as well that they have to remove, which would make sense if the seatbelt runs down through here, which, you know, down through here. I guess that kind of goes all the way down, I'm not sure, but basically there's some foam in here as well, some type of stuff that they have to remove out of here as well. So yeah, so basically that's the recall, that, or that's how they're gonna fix the issue. So yeah, that's the recall from what I got in the video. Door latch, I'm not too sure about. When I looked at my Carfax, this truck has already gone back twice for that door latch issue, if I remember correctly. So I haven't had any issues since I got it, the door not being open or opening or not opening or whatever it may be. So I don't usually get too freaked out by these recall things, but hey, you know, I want everybody to be safe. Do got to drop it off, like I said earlier, so I won't have my truck all day, which may lead me to another subject, I'm not sure. So let's go ahead and get going. Look at my man's over here on that electric scooter thing. He is getting it. Hey, look how bright my lights are. If you can see on the back of this truck. I know I'm blinding people. Sorry about it, folks. Sorry about it. Five-star Ford. This will be my first time coming to the dealership as well. service entrance up this way. So let's go down here. Pull in. I guess I'm just pulling up here. Here, guys, we here. I got some food and stuff and I need to grab too before you take it. Nah.
We went full service dealership. Don't listen to him.
Trying to take my Chick-fil-A, man.
Well, you can definitely leave that.
Yeah. Oh man, I wish I would have known. I would have grabbed you some.
Chick-fil-A's like crap. What is about that?
So this is my first time to the dealership. So next time I got you. Got you some Chick-fil-A, Mark.
You need it right home too, right?
Yes, sir.
I see you got Rudolph all decorated up.
Yeah, man. You know how to put. I like kids like it, man. You know, Big Red. She a Rudolph for a little bit. Ted's kind of. I mean, I go into some garages up here.
It was clipping the top of it,
so it's starting to come off. Man.
Cold, let them windows down.
Oh yeah, sure. We don't do cold.
I just assume let them get tore up.
Why you think they tore up? Big Red. About to say bye bye to Big Red. So the dealership just called me, said that my truck would be ready in about an hour. That was about 30 minutes ago. So I'm on my way to pick it up. Brielle's here to pick me up, take me over. Yeah, so once I get there, I'll fill y'all in. I always have this question about dealerships, just me. I dropped my truck off at 10 a.m. this morning. I called and asked for an update, right? They called me back. It's 4:30 now, saying, oh yeah, it'll be ready in about an hour. It's gonna take about an hour. You kept it all day and didn't do anything to it until the closing? You know, I just don't get that. I don't know. That's just maybe how dealerships work. But yeah, that's just, I always find that weird that, you know, they had a vehicle all day and the last hour they wait to get to your service. I don't know. But anywho, that's just what I think. But I'm not gonna, but the dealership, 5-star Ford, everybody was super nice, super cool people. I mean, very, very nice. Customer service was A1, so I'm not complaining about the service, just that whole dealership thing is kind of weird to me. But anyway, I'll catch y'all when I get over to pick up Red. I just got back to the dealership. They're not ready with my vehicle just yet, so what I'm gonna do, let's just go take a look, walk around, look at some of the cars. Sorry, take a look, walk around, look at some of the cars, see what they got going on. I seen a nice F250 here earlier that I'm trying to track down, but it moved it, so I'm not sure exactly what it is. Got some coffee too, so let's see. We got a Raptor. Love the front bumper on this Raptor right here, man. Ooh, they even got the lights up in this, boy, that's nice. It's real nice. Got the F250 right here. I don't see the other one, man. I want to show y'all, but it was nice. These got the 350. Whew. Big boy truck. Yeah. We got the 250 over here. Sticker at about 61,000. Yeah. So extra $6,000 or $7,000 for the 350. So a lot of you guys probably noticed as well that Ford has actually stopped making cars. So I think they're, this is the last year, 2019, be last year they're making cars, so they're going straight to trucks and SUVs. And rightfully so, because a lot of people now are buying SUVs and trucks. They're just more practical, man. I mean, it just makes more sense to have a truck or SUV. You can family, you can tow, you can haul. Most of them now are getting good gas mileage, so it just makes sense for a lot of people to buy SUVs and cars and trucks nowadays. But look at this black F-150 right here. Now, I don't like the long bed. I mean, unless you really need your long bed. You know, a lot of hauling, towing, and use your bed a lot, but I love these. Oh, these are Mickey Thompsons. Mickey Thompsons. These are nice. It's nice. I like the black on black. Look, it's 18. Oh, it's not 2018. I know it's not 2018 because the headlight. 2018 headlight looks like that as opposed to this one. So this thing is going for $60. Oh, it's a Roush. 2017. Look at it, guys. 2017 Roush. You see that price tag too, but Look what the was price was $87,780. Now on sale for $69.99 plus tax, title, and license. But this is a Roush, man. So what does the Roush come with? So it comes with 5.0 5.1 supercharger system. Produces 600 horsepower, 557 pounds for the torque. Roush Performance exhaust system. Roush engine coilovers, front grille. Basically the whole appearance package thing when you get down here. So for optional equipment, got coilovers, console vault, front camera install, leather seating. So that's additional $2,290. So this is a Roush. No wonder it looks the way it does. They got the bed cover. I gotta get one. So got the tonneau cover, whatever you want to call it. But this is nice, and this is a Roush as well. Look at that. That's it. Roush. Oh, these are all Roushes. Is this Raptor a Roush? No, I don't think so. Oh, okay. Oh, these are nice. Look at the exhaust. Oh, I like that. If I do exhaust, it definitely would probably look like this, man. I actually like the dual. But my Ram had a dual, but I also like the dual tip side to the side. So, man, these are nice. But I think this is even signed. Look at this. That's pretty dope. I thought that was Big Red back there, man. Got the Roush Mustang. Here we go. So, stickers for about, really? $49,000. That's it? Huh, okay. What does it come with? You can see it all there. I'm looking for the performance, but 18 miles per gallon, 15 city, 25 highway. Yeah, so you see this thing. This thing is, ooh, it is pretty. I'm not gonna lie, it is pretty. This is a pretty car. Got the front, got the Roush here. Got the front fender skirt. It has Roush on it as well over there. So yeah, this thing is pretty, man. So I really want a Mustang. I'm not gonna lie. If I bring, let's see if we get the inside of it. Oh, it's a manual. $49,000 would explain that price because it's a manual. That's why it's a little cheaper than what I thought it was going to be. Manuals generally run a little cheaper than automatics in those vehicles. So, but here is a 5.0. Look at the interior. This is a manual as well. Manual, leather seats. I'm not gonna lie, I do want a manual. I do know how to drive a semi-driver manual. I roll motorcycles, so I do know a little bit how a manual work. Now driving a car is different. I mean, same concept, but just different feel. You know, motorcycle you use your hands and your feet. Well, I guess it's almost the same. But so I do understand how the concept, the RPM shifting and all that. I just want a manual just to have some fun with it. You know, just rev that thing up, throw it around, you know, just have fun with it. So I wouldn't mind having a manual car, but I know Brielle, if we get another car, she's gonna want an automatic just to be easier, but it would be fun to teach her how to drive a manual as well. I think she might actually really like it. A lot of people like manuals because it gives them complete control over the car, is what most people say who drive manuals. They want control, which is what a manual does. But this thing is pretty. Love the black wheels. This retails for $48,335. So why is the Roush only $1,000 more expensive than this? What year? I didn't look at the year on that. I'm sorry. What year is this one? It's a 20. So this is a 2019 this is a premium. 2019 GT Coupe Premium. Okay, so this is a little high end. The 5.0 is just a little high end 5.0. That's why. But this thing is pretty, man. I think I have another one. Oh, it's the white one. So tell me that don't look like red sitting over there, y'all. So this is another 5.0. Let's see if it's a manual as well. This is a GT Coupe Sport Premium as well. Same price as the other one. Black seats. So exact same, just different color. You have an orange Roush Mustang over there. Let's go get his trucks. These are all 250, 350s. That look just like red, man. I thought it was, but man, hopefully they have red ready, man. It's cold out here. I'm out here trying to shoot. So hopefully let's go back over here and see if they got red ready, man. It's been about an hour now. Jeep got some nice wheels on it. These are Toyo Open Country tires. Oh, these are nice wheels. Pretty sure these are 35s. They have to be 35s. Yep, 35s by 12 and a halves. This thing is nice. With the light bar on top as well. Sorry, this cup is an eyesore in my video. But this is a nice joint on Big Red, man. Ooh, them headlights look mean coming down the scene. Freestyle King. Look at it. Oh, that's you hopping out of there.
Yep.
You too, thank you. Can't see it, guys, no light, but I can tell that the rug here has kind of been pulled up. But yeah, they actually didn't put it back pretty good. But yeah, they did. So cool. Yeah, man, we got Big Red back. Hopefully everything's good to go now. Let's hop up. Oh, damn. She got my seat lifted all the way up. All right, so let's take a look at what they did. So what they did here was doors will not close or open while driving. Calls recall completed. Doors will not close, open while driving. So I think they just did. So shield, door lock, something else, door lock, rod, cable, something. So they did adhesive. I'm guessing that's for the, whatchamacallit. And then they just did grease, chassis lubrication. So I'm guessing it's just for the door. Yeah, so all this is for the door. So they did some rod as well. And then back here for the carpet, looks like they just did carpet shielding and insulation rework. Yeah, WF tape 4 doors. So I guess they did on all 4 doors. So claim number 18. Yes, yeah. So that's it, man. So that's all they did. And so I think they just put some tape in there, insulation, rework, carpet. Yeah. So that's it, man. That's all they did for the recall. I'm surprised. Actually, I'm surprised that the door latch was this. I'm not sure what all these codes mean, but yeah. So I'm surprised this is how many codes came for the door. But yeah, so that's it. All right, guys. So let's go wrap this video up. Like I said, everything looks good. Recall went good. Everything's supposed to be fixed. So hopefully we have no issues going forward with it. Anything catching on fire in the event we're in an accident, I hope not. But yeah, so we're all good to go. Appreciate y'all watching. This may be the end of the video. It may not be, because I did kind of want to cover another subject, but I need to see how long this video gonna be by itself first before I do that. But recall been fixed, everything good. Again, thank y'all for watching. Y'all have a blessed day, and I will catch y'all on